Welcome you all to Rising Techon's YouTube channel. I am Sukumar, the founder and general manager of Rising Techons Private Limited. Now, in this video, we are going to see about the need of a professional resume. See, first, what is a professional resume? Why it's needed? The impact of it, the contents which has to be present in the resume and which should be avoided in the resume. These are the things we are going to see today. See, first, the need of a professional resume. Every recruiter can hardly spend a couple of minutes to look at anyone's resume. So you have to create an impact with your resume within that 1 or 2 minutes time duration. So for that, you need to have a legible, a clear, a professional style of resume. It's very much important. Be a fresher, be inexperienced, it doesn't matter. The way you make your resume matters a lot. It can create a huge amount of impact with the recruiter. So make yourself sure that you have a very well made professional resume. The impact of resume. As I said, within the first minute of watching your resume, if you are able to create an impact for the viewer of the resume, then you have more possibilities of having your resume shortlisted, provided that you are meeting the rest of the criteria that is needed as per the job description. If your resume is not good, even though you are technically so strong, brilliant, your chances gets reduced. The contents required in a resume. There are certain key contents that you have to present well in the resume and certain contents you have to exclude from your resume. The key contents are your career objective, not short-term, long-term goals. The holistic career objective, then your key skills, then the key job roles you performed if you are inexperienced. For a fresher, it's not applicable. Then comes your academic credentials, then other achievements of yours. If you have any certifications, please highlight them. The languages you know, the software proficiency you have, or the domain proficiencies you have, and if possible, for each and every work experience you have, indicate few key highlights of what you have did in that role, what you have achieved there. So followed with a declaration and your signature. Ensure that your photograph is pasted on the resume. So these are some of the key factors that you have to do while creating a professional resume. For professional resume writing services, you can contact us. The contact details are given in the description. Thanks for viewing this. Hope it's useful for you to get an outlining idea about the important aspects of a resume. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please do subscribe to our channel and share this to your near and dear ones for whom it might be useful. Thank you. Thanks for watching.